So we started off with some butter, and then I added half a cup of brown sugar to our melted butter. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious Easter dessert. Okay, once we get that butter and brown sugar nicely blended together, it is time for the best part. I have this on medium heat right now, but we are coming in with some sliced peaches, and I drained these. Yeah. One more can. I can grab this spoon, try and get these flattened out. You can use fresh peaches if you prefer, but I like the can because they come already cut for you. Get these nice and flat in our cast iron. If you don't have a cast iron, any oven safe pan will work because this is gonna eventually go in the oven. But we really wanna make sure that we get these nice and caramelized before we get to our next step. So we are just gonna let these simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, see all those delicious bubbles? Yum. This looks incredible. Now I'm gonna bring in my puff pastry sheet that I already rolled out a little bit so that it would cover our entire cast iron. Okay, and now we are gonna go ahead and place it right on top of those bubbling peaches. Kind of make sure it's as best centered as you can, and then we're gonna tuck that in to our peaches. Just using our spatula so that we don't burn ourselves. This is gonna be so good. Now, normally I would do an egg wash on my puff pastry, but my fiance used all of our eggs.
I was hungry.
So we are gonna have a pale puff pastry, but that will not take away from our delicious peach Easter treat. Okay, once we have this kind of tucked in just like so, we are gonna go ahead and bring in our knife and then kind of just cut some breathing holes in our puff pastry for those peaches, because this is gonna go in the oven and we wanna make sure that it doesn't sink into our delicious caramelized peaches. Okay, that looks great. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Oh my house smells incredible. So because we didn't do that egg wash, our puff pastry is a little bit more pale than it usually is, but it's fully cooked and the flavors are gonna be incredible. I don't know about you guys, but I want one of those sugary corners. Okay, it's time for the best part. We're gonna go ahead and flip this baby on its back. Be careful of any running juices.
Am I in the splash zone?
I think you'll be okay.
Okay,
I might need you to grab the little mitt from underneath it once I pick this up.
Okay, ready?
Grab it.
Go. And go.
Ooh, the juices are going. The juices
clean.
are flowing. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh
my gosh.
Goodness. So insane. But my puff pastry was a little small, so we got a little spillage, but that's not gonna take away from the flavor. We're gonna go ahead and grab some vanilla bean ice cream. And it is time to serve it up. Beautiful. This looks so insane. I think we're gonna go right here.
Oh, I heard the crunch.
Yeah, and because the puff pastry was on top, it got the opportunity to fully cook, which is why we cook it that way. Oh yeah, see those flaky layers right there? Okay. Be careful, it's gonna be really hot.
Is it good?
That is so good, you guys.